so this is my Lego. It's the fire truck action Lego with 3 minifigures. So the number 1 goes with the bathroom. And then the 2 and 3 goes with the helicopter.
Bathroom.
And then this is my Lego box.
Yeah, that's the Lego box. And it has a bathroom in it. Okay, like a cubby.
Okay, like a cobra.
So are you guys gonna do this? Okay.
Hey,
Lego
Look.
guy.
Do, 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 do.
That's just a camera. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and Thomas, can you put them on?
Wait, this is good.
Okay. Okay, Thomas, stop putting them on.
Okay, where?
Right there, you gotta turn it.
Are we skipping?
No, this is where it starts. Okay, you ready?
Is it supposed to be the number 1?
And now, okay, you want to put this down.
I need to turn it.
This one, this one.
Yeah. Good job, Kingston. See? That's so good teamwork.
This is our Lego. We still haven't finished it. But we did half part of the helicopter.
We need to.
No.
This one needs to go in
This
there.
one go right here. Like this. So this is our Lego helicopter. We finished the number 2 bag. So now we're doing the number 3 that Kingston has in his hand. This is our finished Lego helicopter. It can have its top spin and its back spin too. And then there's an opening right here. And then you can put the water right through here.